Let's learn native English. Hi, my name is Carrie. The channel is Learn Native English. I'm here to help you speak confidently and naturally in English. Today's lesson is about comparatives and superlatives. This is an A2 elementary lesson. If you want to do these practices yourself, you can go to my website and create an account. I will put the link in the description of the video. So let's get started. Comparatives and superlatives. Compare people, places, and things using for comparatives or est for superlatives, more or most, and irregular forms like better and best. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to form correct comparatives using and more based on adjective length. Build sentences comparing two people or things with proper grammar, and apply irregular comparative forms like better, worse, and farther accurately. Short adjectives, one syllable, or if they are two syllables and end in a y, you add plus than to compare two things. Tall becomes taller than. Cheap becomes cheaper than. Easy, easier than. Long adjectives, two or more syllables, you use more plus the adjective plus than. Expensive becomes more expensive than. Interesting becomes more interesting than. Comfortable, more comfortable than. This couch is more comfortable than the other couch that I sat on. Spelling rules. Double the final consonant after a short vowel. For example, big becomes bigger with a double G. Hot becomes hotter with a double T. We also drop the silent E. Nice, nicer. Large, larger. If the adjective ends in a Y, then you change the Y to an I. Easy becomes easier. Happy becomes happier. The Y becomes an I, and then you add ER. Let's do some practice. Bigger. If you're doing this practice yourself on the website, you can click and listen.
Bigger.
Bigger. Big plus ER, and you double the G because it's a small adjective. My room is bigger than yours. Smaller. This bag is smaller than that one. We're comparing the size of two things. That's what a comparative is. Cheaper. The bus is cheaper than a taxi. That means less expensive. Faster. My car is faster than his. We see the fast plus ER plus than. More expensive. Expensive has three syllables. Expensive. So we don't just add an ER at the end. It does not become expensiver. That's too long, too complicated. So we just say more expensive than. This hotel is more expensive than the hostel. More interesting. The book is more interesting than the movie. Than always follows a comparative. She is taller than me. Here is a dialogue, an example of a conversation that uses comparatives. Which phone should I buy? The Samsung is cheaper than the iPhone. Cheaper. But is it better? The iPhone has a better camera, but the Samsung has a bigger screen. We're comparing two things. Short adjective plus ER plus than. If it's a long adjective, more plus long adjective plus than. These are the two ways to compare depending on the length of the adjective. Watch out. The double consonant, when we add another consonant on a small adjective, It's not pronounced twice. It just helps keep the vowel short. Bigger sounds like bigger, not bigger. Bigger, hotter, thinner. You just pronounce the consonant once. Okay, pick the right comparative. Remember, it depends on the length of the adjective, what style of comparative we use. If it's adjective plus er, or if it's more big adjective than. This book is, if you need more time to answer the question, you can pause the video. I'm going to go through these answers pretty quickly. This book is more interesting than that one. Interesting is a 3-syllable word, so we just used the word more before. You don't add the er. Interestinger, too long. Interesting is a long adjective. This has 4 syllables. You can pronounce it interesting, 4 syllables, or interesting, 3 syllables. Summer is hotter than spring. The reason that it's this one with a double T is because when it's a short adjective that ends in a consonant, we add another T to maintain the sound of this vowel. So this would be hoter, and that's not the correct answer. You have to add another T for the pronunciation. It's a short adjective, 1 syllable, so we add ER and double the T. Math is harder than English for me. Hard is short, so we just add ER. We don't say more hard or more harder. It's just harder. Math is harder than English. This sofa is more comfortable than the wooden chair. Comfortable is 3 syllables or 4 syllables. Comfortable, comfortable is how I pronounce it. And since it's more than 2 syllables, we add more in front. More comfortable. My sister is younger than me. Young is short. We use young plus ER. Younger. This exercise is easier than the last one. And because easy ends in a Y, we replace it with an I. We change the Y to an I and add ER. Easier, not more easy or easier with a Y. It becomes an I in the comparative. Complete the comparison. Fill in the blank with the correct comparative form. My new apartment is bigger than my old one. It's a short adjective and a double consonant, so it becomes bigger with 2 G's and an ER. The movie was more boring than I expected. Boring has 2 syllables. It does not end in a Y, so we will use more boring, not boringer. She runs faster than her brother. This is a short adjective, so you just add ER at the end, and it becomes faster. Never more fast or more faster. This city is noisier than my hometown. Noisy is 2 syllables. Noisy. It ends in a Y, so we change the Y to an I and add ER. Noisier. Learning English is more difficult than I thought. Difficult is a long adjective. It's 3 syllables. Difficult. Use more difficult. Never difficulter. It's not a word. Today's weather is worse than yesterday's. Bad is irregular. We do not say badder or more bad. You have to memorize that the comparative for bad is worse. This is a listen and repeat. It will grade your pronunciation if you are doing this practice on your own account. If you're practicing at home with the video, you can listen and repeat after me out loud. My new job is better than my old one. And it's easier to use a flap T, better. I know that's a double T and it looks like you should say better, Better is fine, but it's very formal. In American pronunciation, it's very common to use a flap T. My new job is better than my old one. This street is quieter than the main road. That's another flap T. I didn't say quieter, I said quieter. Quieter. The train is faster but more expensive than the bus. This has two comparatives in one sentence. The train is faster but more expensive. Fast is short, you add ER. Expensive is long, so we put more expensive. Learning a language is harder than I expected. This restaurant is more popular than the one across the street. I'm going to end this part of the lesson. If you want to continue watching, go to part 2 to learn about superlatives. That's when something is the most or the best of its category when you are comparing things. If this lesson was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel so that I can continue to create free lessons for you. And just a reminder, you can also access this full course at learnnativeenglish.com, and I'll put the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.